Hey guys, welcome to You Can Create Technology. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a garden in Tux Paint. So first of all, I'll tell you what is Tux Paint. So Tux Paint is a very child-safe painting program on a technology for children, and whenever you press an effect, it always plays these funny sound effects, which I like. So yeah, and I'm going to show you how to make a garden in Tux Paint. So yeah, I'll just open my Tux Paint. So yeah, this is one of my paintings. So yeah, we'll just press new. Then we will scroll down 2 times, and then you'll see this rainbow thing, and just press open. There are so many colors like red, yellow, green, cyan, light blue, dark blue, violet, maroon, red, white, and black. So we have to do cyan. I love cyan, but you can choose any color. So then we will go to magic, and then we would scroll down until we find this grass effect. Then we would draw grass at the bottom. Okay, I added a little too much grass. So yeah, and now we're done. So now we will add a flower. We'll add so many flowers. So we'll add the flowers. They look so nice. Don't do the yellow color, because the part which is in the circle which is in the middle is only yellow. So, and the petals are also yellow, so it will look like this. It does not look nice, no, the yellow one. So that's why. So just skip yellow and do the other colors. So I'll continue doing this. I'm almost done. Now don't add this brown, only add till these. There's some grass left, but yeah, it's fine. So then we'll still be in effects, and then we'll find rain. Rain, yeah, rain. Then we'll press this. Click this whole thing, not this one. It will be like you have to draw like that. That will not be nice. Just fill the whole picture. So yeah, that's nice. And you have to draw a rainbow. So I'll just draw a rainbow. You should select this longer rainbow, I think it says. And then it draws a real rainbow. If you want a real rainbow, then press a real rainbow, and this is a real rainbow. But I don't like it. I like this kind of rainbow because it looks nice. Just draw it on this side. Just a big one over here. And yeah. So that's how to make a garden. Oh wait, I forgot the last step. If you guys want snowfall in this, I don't know where is snowfall. Yeah, so this is snowball. I will put snowball because they look so nice. No, if you want snowflakes also, I think I do know where snowflakes. Just find it. Snowflakes. I was at the side of snowballs only. I did not even see. Shit. Anyways, so yeah, this is why am I saying press that? So this is how to make a garden in Tux Paint. So let's save this. And we're just gonna quit Tux Paint. Quit. So yeah, that's how to make a garden in Tux Paint. And for that snowflakes thing I showed you in the garden, that's optional, but I do like it because it looks nice. So yeah, so that's how I make a garden. So I will meet you in my next video. Subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. So bye.